I spent $40. I figured it'd be bigger.
Ever since I came into the game, I've been going harder in the pain. Ever since they heard about the name, they know who gon' pull up with the flame.
Got another unboxing from YouTube Collectibles. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Brandon. Welcome back to Crayton TV. Today's video, we're gonna do an unboxing video from YouTube's Collectibles. These are like those little Funko Pops, and they sent me something that I ordered. I know which one it is, but let's find out so you guys know what it is. Let's open it up. I figured it would be bigger than this because on the picture it looked huge, and then I got it and I was like, well, man, this thing took forever to come too. I ordered this probably like maybe a month ago. This is a limited edition. Ooh, y'all see it already? If you know who TSM Daequan is, he's a streamer, pro player. Well, he's not a pro no more, but he's a big top streamer on Twitch and a big content creator for YouTube. And this is where he partnered up when he did YouTube. This video is not sponsored at all. This is not a branding deal. I'm just trying to show you what I had ordered. So it's a W game of TSM Daequan. This is actually clean with number 21. I figured it'd be bigger. So the packaging is real good. W game. It says real clean. TSM Daequan. Shout out to Daequan. And hey, this is cool. I just thought it would be bigger, you know, because when I looked on the picture of YouTube, I was like, oh, it's gonna be bigger. But here's the little packaging. It says, let me show you the side, TSM Daequan. So if you part of, you know, you like TSM Daequan, you like the way he streams, good person, good funny person, you know, pretty clean. You know, you probably got a little code over there. We're gonna check that out. It says for 15 and older, but let me read you the back. It says, whenever you wake up in the morning, have two goals in mind: to have a smile on your face and to progress at least a baby step towards what you want your life to be. Your life to be like in the future. Other than that, enjoy yourself and have fun. Daequan. Oh, that's dope. So here it is right here. You can pause the video if you want to, you know. But this is clean, little action figure. I'll probably keep it in the box and just keep it on the desk, you know, for motivation. Because Daequan, he does give a lot of good advice, motivation, good person, especially from where he came from. But the packaging is real clean. But here he is right here, TSM Daequan, W Gang. Hey, this is actually kind of clean. But for $40, I thought it was gonna be bigger than that. YouTube, thought it would be a little bit bigger, so you know. But it's a nice little display you can put somewhere. Maybe I'll take it out the packaging and place it somewhere. Hey, but let me know what you think about this. If you want to see more of these kind of unboxings from me ordering these type of things, maybe I even buy some and give them away to y'all. So let me know in the comment section below if you would like to, you know, for me to get some more. Can't get this one though. This is mine. So, and I think this one was only like a limited edition. If you want me to get some more, you know, give them away to y'all, let me know in the comment section below. But hey, if you did enjoy this video, like, comment, subscribe if you're new. We're on our way to 600 subscribers. Let's try to get that. I wish I could hit it by the end of the year, but hey, it is what it is. We'll hit it sometime. But check this out right here. Nice YouTooz, something like that. I'll put the link down in the description. You might still be able to get it. So go check them out. Awesome. Nice little, nice quality product. Yeah, it's probably be somewhere on my gaming setup desk. Stay tuned for that video coming up of my full gaming setup and everything else. And you just stay tuned. Got more videos coming, best and believe. But if you did enjoy this video, this is your boy Brandon coming to you from Crayton TV, and I'm signing out of here. Peace.